What's up guys, Matata Baraka here. We're here for another unboxing video. Stay tuned. Okay, first we have Ballerina, John Wick. I saw this movie in theaters. It was pretty good. I liked it. Back, this side. It's unboxed. Okay, here it is. Pretty cool. Here it is, the ballerina. Pretty cool. What do you guys think about ballerina? Now we go to Elio. I didn't saw this movie in theaters because I didn't have time for it. I was busy. I heard it's a pretty good movie. This movie. Okay, this, the back, the side. Oh, nice. Well, that's it. What do you guys think about Elio? Have you done it? It's pretty good. Comment below, let me know. We have Jurassic World Rebirth. Got it, finally. I have it here in my hands. I saw this movie in theaters, so it was pretty good. Let's unbox it. Hold on. Okay. There we go. Okay, here it is. Jurassic World Rebirth. Open it up. Oh, pretty cool. Just a black one. Nothing interesting. What do you guys think about Jurassic World? That's it. That's my pickup for today.
A few years from now, some of you will become godfathers, fathers of children, boys, girls. Now, how would you look your children in the face? Tell those children that you think.
What do you guys think? Comment below, let me know. This is Matata Baraka signing out. Bye guys, see you in the next video. Bye.